In this module, we are going to learn about fashion design process. Now, when we talk about fashion design process, how can we define it? So it is basically the whole journey that a fashion designer takes to create market intelligent garments and accessories. Now, you would ask, what is market intelligent? Market intelligent is when your collection is basically appropriate for the target customer, it is appropriately priced, it is profitable for the company, and your collection, the whole aesthetics, is also aligned to the brand vision. Now, any professional designer, now I'm not talking about designers, but professional designer would first investigate the following information before starting designing the collection. Now, that investigation would be: who is our target customer? What is the price bracket that this target customer is going to pay? Because when you go to a certain brand, as a consumer, you have that price bracket in your head. Then, what is the market requirement? Market requirement means what is the new trend and what is the new aesthetics that your consumer is looking for. And also, whatever you design, it should be aligned to the brand vision, because we are going to talk about it later, but any design cannot go into any brand because all brands have their own vision. So any professional designer is going to first investigate that what is the brand vision, what is the price bracket, who is my consumer, and what kind of trends they are looking for. Then it is essential for designers to understand that fashion design is not a hobby, it is a hardcore profession. So every designer needs to be clear about what is the intention of the design, what is the purpose of the design. So for that, you need to do all the market investigation, and after that only you start your design process.